3.4, part 3 of CQ1, still two questions. M1C number 7, number 9. First, number 7. Is it possible that we can change the behavior of a Java application without changing any Java code? Answer is yes. The way, I think you know, through configuration. But there are two ways configuration. So here I want to talk about that a little bit. Yeah. The first way, XML configuration. Or, dot properties, right? File configuration, yeah, dot properties. Yeah. Next question, we will compare these two ways and annotation way. Type configuration. Yeah. So let's compare these two types of configuration. One based on the special configuration file, another based on annotation. Yeah. This way, yeah, so no problem, right? Without changing Java code. So, yeah, you can see that easily. So no Java code change. But this one, you may have question mark, right? Because we know annotations are added inside each Java source file, right? Inside Java source file, annotation, okay? Yeah. You need to open the Java source code. You need to change some of the annotation lines to change your annotation content. After that, you need to run compiler again to update the annotated content. Can you treat that step no Java code change? Right? Not quite, right? Can you say no Java code change if you use this way? So that's why I put a question mark here. Yeah. So probably for most of the people, you cannot say there is no Java code change because the compiler is run another time to get information, data updated. Compiler is called to update annotation information. But some people may argue, although compiler is run another time, but Java instruction part has no change. The Java instruction part has no change. Only the annotation, the configuration part is changed. And then those two parts are separated. Okay? Yeah. So that's the, so Java instructions. That's one part. Okay? Yeah. Java annotations. Okay? Yeah. Instruction part, no change. Annotation part, yes, on the change. Compiler is called update the configuration information. How do you call that? Right? Yeah. So that's the main story. Yeah. But for this question, the answer yes is correct, because you can talk about this type of configuration, right? So you're not talking about this type of configuration, okay? Yeah, because for this type, you have a question mark, right? Yeah. So that's the background of the first question. Second question, now we look at, even we use the file-based configuration, there are two different ways we like to compare a little bit. Okay. The first, the Java.properties way. The second, XML file way. So we compare these two ways. Yeah. Complex. We know XML file way, it's a tree structure. Tree structure. Yeah. The tree structure could be complicated. Okay? And to process that, you need to use some XML parser. Yeah. The parser, pretty, it's a big thing. Yeah. It cannot be easy. It's a big thing. Yeah. Actually, it's what's that? The parser big package is used to do the XML parser. Okay? Yeah. So the parser technology, Java has the parser technology, but it's not simple. It's a quite big package. Yeah. So that means when you use it, it's pretty complicated. But this one, .properties, only use one Java class. So that is the capital properties class, this class. This class can handle all the configuration in this way. Yeah. So from these two comparison, you can see for relatively easy type configuration, you try to use this first. Yeah. So the format is key value pair. Key equal value for one property. So that's for one property. Then you can have many properties. If your application can be configured using this way, you should take this way as the first priority. Yeah. Otherwise, if this way too simple, your application requires much more sophisticated configuration, then you have no other choices. You may like to choose the XML way configuration. Yeah. So that's the main difference. Yeah. All right, so that's the part number 4, right? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. C.4. Yeah. Let me stop here. Yeah.